Holy crap, this is actually take 4 of this video. Hey, welcome to my channel. About 15-20 minutes ago I decided, hey, I'm gonna take a ride. Got all my gear together, got my leather on, my helmet, everything else came down here, and the bike is completely dead. Due to life, I haven't been able to take the bike out in about 2.5 weeks. Battery is completely dead. Lights don't even come on when I flick the switch. Grabbed my Noco GB40 and hooked it up, and unfortunately this was the 4th or 5th time I had jumped the bike without recharging the Noco, and wasn't enough of a charge and the bike wouldn't start. So at approximately 1:30 today, I threw the Noco on the charger, and I'm going to see how long it takes for the Noco to charge. And then I'm going to come up here and we'll see how it starts the bike. Alright, it's been about 35-40 minutes. The Noco Boost Plus GB40 is about halfway charged. I didn't feel like waiting for it. I want to get out and ride. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to set it up, okay, and then I'll start the video again, and we can see if it starts. All right, here we go. The charger is hooked up. I'm going to flick the switch. Let's see. Do we have power? Or was it on before? Did I leave it on? No, see, there is absolutely no power to the bike right now whatsoever. Okay, we hit the button here, and suddenly I've got a headlight. All right, let's see, we're in neutral. Let's see if we can get it started. Oh, not yet. It's still going though. I got a bad feeling that I've just let it sit for, so letting it sit for 2 weeks was just too much, and now I might actually have to start it with the car. Come on! Damn it. Alright. Alright, well, even though the Noco was unable to bring my battery back from the dead, when I jumped it from the car, I did eventually manage to get it started. Went for a nice little ride, not my planned ride, which was going to be about 80-90 kilometers, about, I don't know, 60-70 miles. Today, you know, I just went on some of the local highways and just stayed kind of local. Probably just did about I don't know, 15-20 miles just to get a little charge on the battery, and that was that. Unfortunately, I didn't go for the ride I wanted. I was unable to show you a successful jumping of the bike with the Noco. Although, you know, if I was going to do a full review of this product, I would say I'm very happy with it. I mean, it takes about an hour to get it a full charge. Pop off the seat, get to my battery, hook up one of the jumpers, one to ground, boom, starts in seconds. It really is that simple. I've had 3 jumps, okay, and I'm sure it would have had 4 or 5. I'm sure it would have had at least 2 more if my battery wasn't so low. You know, because I had to sit there and try and hit the button, you know, and then that takes a charge, and then you sit there and wait a couple seconds and you try it again. So I probably used up at least 2 or 3 more charges while I was trying to get it started. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. There is no ride video. Today's ride was just to recharge my this battery and this battery. So who knows? Maybe tomorrow I'll manage to get out in the afternoon and take a little ride, and I'll take today's ride, or the ride that I had planned for today, and I'll record that. Yeah, I guess that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and hit the little bell notification thingy so you'll know when I got new videos up. Damn, I look like shit. Peace.